So I'm going to show you a few different ways in which you can connect to a free VPN on your Windows operating system. So let's see them one by one. So for the first method, what you need to do, you just need to open your favorite browser and search for VPN Book. This VPN Book is a website which also provides free VPN alongside the paid VPN services. So just click on the first link which will appear on the search result, and that will be vpnbook.com. And on the VPN Book website, you will be able to see this tab which says free VPN. So just click on the free VPN tab here, and you will be able to see this section here. So here you can find two different ways to connect to a VPN. The first one is free PPTP VPN, and second one is by using free OpenVPN. So we want to connect to the VPN using this first method using our Windows 11. So here you can see this VPN Book website provides a few different VPN servers from few different countries. So you can see it provides a server from Poland, Germany, USA, Canada, France, and that's it, right? So we are going to use one of these servers. Also, when you scroll down, you will be able to see the username and password. So you need to note down this username. Username is always VPN Book, but the password keeps on changing here, right? So this is generated at the time when you load this website, and it changes when you open this website. Let's say tomorrow and day after tomorrow, it's going to change. So just note this password, and then this VPN Book is the username, right? You can use any such service which provides VPN servers and provides you the username and password, and it's going to work fine, right? I'm just using one of these websites. So once you have this information, then what you need to do on your Windows 11 operating system, you need to open the Settings app. Just click on the Start Windows icon here, and then click on Settings app here. Otherwise, you can also search for Settings app by searching for Settings app. So now once you are in the Settings app, you need to click on the Network and Internet option. So just click on Network and Internet, and straight away the second option you can see here is for VPN. So just click on the VPN option here, and then you just need to click on this toggle button. If it's off, you need to just turn it on. Both these options you need to turn it on, and then you can see this option which says add VPN. So just click on the add VPN button here, and here you can provide the VPN credentials, right? So the first one here is the VPN provider. You can see there is only one option here, which is Windows built-in. So you can just choose this option. Then the connection name. The connection name you can provide anything. So I'm going to just write VPN Book because I'm going to use the VPN Book website for this. The server name or address you can find on this website. You can take any one of these addresses, right? So I'm going to use the server address from France. So let me just copy this address URL, and then I'm going to just provide this here. And then VPN type will be PPTP, right? So point-to-point tunneling protocol, because you can see we are using the PPTP VPN, right? So you can use this one. If you use OpenVPN, you have the other configuration. Now once you go to the VPN connection again, you can see username and password. You can also connect with smart card or one-time password or certificate. So these are all options which are possible, but right now we have the username and password. So we are going to select username and password, and then provide the username and password. So username, as you can see here, is VPN Book. This you can copy and paste it here, but you can't copy the password. This is an image, so you need to manually type this, right? So this is 8SHX95N. I'm going to just type this 8SHX95N. In my case, I can just view this 8SHX95N, and this is 8SHX95N. Once you have provided all the required configuration, you can click on save, which is going to create a new connection for you. So you can see this VPN book connection is created, but it's not connected because you need to manually click on the connect button in order to connect with this VPN server. So I'm going to click on the connect option, and then it's going to verify the sign in, and once everything is fine, you will see that it's going to be connected. So now I can see that this connection is established, and I can also disconnect this connection from here. So now let's check from which country IP address we are getting this connection from. So I generally use whatismyipaddress.com, and I refresh this, and you can see it's providing me the DNS server from Cambodia, right? So even though I was expecting the French VPN, it's providing me the VPN server from Cambodia, which is okay because I'm not living in Cambodia, but it's providing me the VPN server from other country, so it's working. If you want to change the server, you can change it from here. So let's say I want to use this server now from Canada. So I can just go to my VPN connection once again, disconnect it, and then expand this option, click on advanced option, click on edit, and then I can edit this address. I just need to edit this address because the password will be same, and then I can go back and then click on connect, and I can see that it's verifying the connection once again. And now it's completing the connection, and now you can see the connection is established. So let me just refresh this web page, and now I can see the country and the region has been changed, right? And this also is not the country in which I'm living in, and that is also working fine. So my VPN server is working fine. It's just that I'm not seeing the country from which I'm taking this address, and that's okay for me because at least the ISP is not from the same country in which I'm living in, right? Now deleting the VPN connection is also easy. So you can disconnect your connection first of all, and then just expand this and then click on remove, and then click on confirm, and it's going to be removed. And you can add the new VPN connection by clicking on this button once again. So this is how you can connect to a VPN server from your Windows 11 operating system manually. Let me show you one more way in which you can connect to a VPN server for free, and that will be completely automatic. So let me show you that also. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for TouchVPN, and the first link which will appear here will be from touchvpn.net. So just click on this touchvpn.net website, and here you will be able to see this kind of web page. So when you scroll down a little, you will be able to see Get Touch VPN at the top, and you will be able to see this button also which says Get Touch VPN. So you can click one of these buttons. I'm going to click on this, and then you can choose your platform. So because we want to install Touch VPN on our Windows 11 operating system, I'm going to choose this option which says Windows MSI. So just click on this option. So once this touchvpn.msi file is downloaded, just click on this file, and then you can minimize the browser. And first of all, you just need to click on yes here, which is going to start the setup of TouchVPN. And you can see the TouchVPN setup has been finished in few seconds, and you can also see this shortcut is created on our desktop for TouchVPN. And once this TouchVPN software or app is installed, it's going to start automatically, and you can see it says encryption is enabled. So from here you can select the VPN server from this list from any country which is shown in this list. So let's say I want to have a VPN server from Australia. So I can just select Australia, and then you can see Australia is selected, and now the VPN connection is also enabled. Now, in order to check whether it's working or not, you can open any website which shows you the actual location of your internet provider. I use generally this website, which is called whatismyipaddress.com, and you can see it's showing me the country Australia, even though I'm not located in Australia, right? So I can change this location once again. For example, this time I want to choose the United Kingdom VPN server, so it's going to connect to that server. And now I'm going to refresh this website, and now I can see this country. So you can see my IP address is now from United Kingdom, right? So you know that whatever country you choose here, your IP address will be from that country, right? So this is how you can install and use Touch VPN on your Windows 11 operating system.
I'm going to show you how you can install and set up OpenVPN on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So we will start with the installation of OpenVPN. So for that, just open your favorite browser and search for OpenVPN. And the first link which will appear here will be openvpn.net. So I'm going to just click on this website. So once this website is open, you will be able to see different tabs on the top. We are going to download the community version of OpenVPN. So we need to hover over community tab, and then we need to select the downloads option here. Okay, so hover over community and click on downloads link here, which is going to redirect us to the community downloads web page, right? So when you scroll down here, you will be able to see the installers for Windows also. So you have the 64-bit MSI installer for Windows and 32-bit MSI installer for Windows. So we are going to download the 64-bit installer for Windows. So just select this option, which is in front of Windows 64-bit MSI installer. I'm going to just click on this button, which is going to start the download of this MSI file, right? So this file is not very big, so it will be downloaded really fast. So once this MSI file is downloaded, just click on this file and let me minimize my browser. And the installation is pretty straightforward. So once this setup window starts, you just need to click on Install Now button, which is going to start the installation of OpenVPN. In between, you will see this warning which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I trust this app, so I'm going to click on yes here, which is going to start the installation. So at this point, I just need to wait for some time until this progress bar reaches to the 100% mark. And once the installation of OpenVPN is finished, you will see this message which says OpenVPN installing completed. So I can close this window. Now I can see this icon here which is created on my desktop. Also, I will be able to search for OpenVPN in my apps section, right? So I can just write OpenVPN here, and it's going to show me this result which says OpenVPN GUI. I can also click on this Windows start icon, and then in all apps I will be able to find this OpenVPN under this O. So I can see this is the new installation. Now immediately after the installation of OpenVPN, you will also see this window which says no readable connection profile or config file found, right? Because we haven't imported any OpenVPN file in our OpenVPN GUI. So for the first time when you install OpenVPN, it's going to show you this warning, which is normal also. Now the important message is this one. So you need to note the path where you need to copy your config file. So it says copy your config files to this path or this path. Okay, so just note these two paths. In future you might need these two paths, right? So once you read this warning, just close this warning, and you will be able to see this icon, which is for OpenVPN GUI, which will appear on your taskbar. If you don't see this OpenVPN GUI icon here, you can just click on this arrow, and here also you will be able to see this OpenVPN GUI. Otherwise, if you don't see this OpenVPN GUI icon here, then you can click on the OpenVPN shortcut here, and it's going to start OpenVPN, and then it's going to show you this icon. So once this icon is visible, you can right click on this icon and you will see three options. So you need to right click on this icon, and then you will see three options. One is import, second is settings, and third is exit. We are going to select the import option and then click on import file. So it's going to allow you to import any OpenVPN file which you might have on your Windows 11 operating system. Now normally, if you are using OpenVPN to connect to your company server or something like this, your company will provide a OpenVPN file to you, which you can use to connect to your company's VPN server. So if you have that file which is provided by your company or from your friend, you can use that OpenVPN file to connect to the VPN. Otherwise, if you don't have any OpenVPN file and you want to test OpenVPN, then there are many websites which provides free services for the VPN, and from there you can download the OpenVPN file and use it to connect to your OpenVPN GUI. So let me show you how you can connect to OpenVPN using a free OpenVPN service, which is called VPN Book. So you can just open your favorite browser and search for VPN Book, and the first link which will appear here will be from vpnbook.com. So I'm going to click on this link, and here I can see a few tabs. I'm going to click on the free VPN tab here, and once this free VPN window opens, you will be able to see three sections here, right? So the first section is free PPTP VPN, which we don't want. We want the free OpenVPN, right? So this middle one, and from here you can download the VPN bundle files for different regions. So you don't have many options here, but for testing you can select any of these bundles, right? So I'm going to select this US1 OpenVPN certificate bundle from here, which is going to download this zip file. So I'm going to just click on this zip file, and I can extract this zip file anywhere on my Windows operating system. So for extracting this, I have this option which says extract all, or I can right click here and then click on extract all option, and then I can extract it on my desired location. So let me extract it in the downloads folder itself. So I'm going to just click on extract. So once you have extracted all these files, you just need to copy the path of this folder. So you can just copy it like this, and then let me minimize all these windows from here, and then once again right click on the OpenVPN icon, and then click on import, and then click on import file, and then just paste the path which you have copied, and you will see these four files here. So I'm going to select the top one, which is VPN Book US1 TCP80.ovpn. Okay, so this one, and then click on OK. And once you click on OK, you can see the message here, file imported successfully. So once this file is imported successfully, I can right click once again on the OpenVPN, and this time I will be able to see more options here, right? Because I have imported this OpenVPN file, so I can see more options here. So I need to connect to a VPN server, right? So I can just click on this connect option, which is going to try to connect to the VPN server which we have provided. So here I can see VPN book US TCP 80. Now username and password. So from where you can get these username and password. So when you go to this website and when you scroll down, so we have downloaded this for bundle, and when you scroll down, you will be able to see username and password here. Okay, so I'm going to provide the username and password. So the username is VPN book, which is simple, and I'm going to provide password also. So this is the password. You can't copy it, so you need to enter it manually. And once you are done, click on OK. And once you click on OK, your OpenVPN server will try to connect to the VPN book VPN server. And if everything is working correctly, you will be able to see this disconnect and reconnect button here, right? So you can see OpenVPN connection, and then VPN US TCP 80 is working right now. So once the connection is established, you will also see when you right click on this OpenVPN icon, you will be able to see disconnect button, reconnect button, show status button. So when you click on show status, it will open the same window. And then you also have other options like view config, edit config, and clear saved password option. So this is how you can install and use and set up OpenVPN GUI on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.